As we enter the new school year, we want to share some useful information about bus transportation. In order to see your bus routes, parents must download the SmartTag Parent app. With the app, you can track your students' bus activity in real time, receive alerts when the bus is approaching your stop, and get notified when your child safely boards or exits the bus. The app will look like this. After you download the app, you will need to create an account. You will use the same email you used for Parent Square. Once the account is created, you will receive a 6-digit verification code. You will be asked to set up a password. Then you will tap Find Students, choose Del Valle ISD, and your linked students will automatically appear. If you have multiple students, you will need to manually add each student to the account. Some key things we want to remind parents as they are setting up their accounts. It's important that the primary parent registered with the district must set up their account first. Co-parents can link manually after approval. Now that you completed those steps, click on the Students tab and you'll be able to see your student's bus route.